Into this recipe we are going to do pickled aubergine. This pickled aubergine we have to have one aubergine. We need to slice it in thin slices and having them apart in a pot of water if we can, because the aubergine oxidates very quickly. We also need to have a jar that should be sterilized by temperature, vapor or heat for more than 100 degrees or 100 degrees in an oven or in vapor if it is possible, to make our pickling. After we cut into slices, we are going to get out that like not desirable taste of the aubergine, and putting a little bit of salt and a little bit of water in order to keep that flavor out of it. After that, we need to have in account to get our jar cold in order to put our pickling. To make the pickling of the main liquid of our pickling, we need to have 5% of salt, 20% of sugar, and the same quantity of vinegar and water that we are going to add in our pot or jar in order to do the pickling. We need to homogenize all the ingredients, mixing them until they are like the same liquid, and after that we need to drain our aubergines to keep that messy flavor that we said before. And after that we are going to put in our main liquid with some kind of different things, like the ginger, spices and other things that we could have in our pickling. As we can see, we have to put a lot of different ingredients in our pickling in order to give it flavor, and also we have to take our pot upside down like 1 or 2 days, and after those 2 days we have to turn it to the original pose in order to take it into the refrigerator, and then you let it for weeks, and we have like this change of color and also flavor in our recipe. So we are going to have our pickled aubergines.